Welcome to Nico Props, I'm Chris Fry, and on this video we're going to go through how I built this epic pallet wall behind me. That's got a few kind of little tricks up its sleeve, so stay tuned to the end of the video for those. If you like this video, like it at the bottom, subscribe, maybe make a comment, that would be great, and we get some interaction going. Any questions you've got about the project would be great. Now let's get straight into a build montage. And that's it. Wall's done. So that wasn't a bad montage, was it? Let me know in the comments below what you thought about that, because obviously I'm experimenting with my videos, seeing what you guys like. Now, certain things that we used on the build, and links to all this kind of stuff is going to be in the description below. One of the main things was this grab adhesive. This is called Grip Fill. Other brands exist, but this is Evo Stick. You can get the shop bought ones, you know, the store's own brands. That's fine, all works. Standard electrical cable and terminal blocks. In the US, I believe you've got the twist connectors. They will work as well. The lights around the edge of the logo here are actually just some ribbon lights that you can buy, strip LED lights, come on a reel like this, and they come with the adapter and a little control box, which you may have seen on the time lapse there through on up the middle there, and it has a remote. Now the remote for this one is here, so we can change the colour of it as we go around. Put it back onto yellow. Let's go for a purple. There we go. So we've got various different colours on it, but it's also got different effects as well. So we can set it on an effect of a smooth fade through of colours, which is kind of cool. So that's the electronic side of things. For the actual logo, I just used some cheap acrylic paints. I got these in a hobby store. And a projector to project the image. You could get away with, say, a lamp or something like that and put a transparency over it. That would work just as well. I just happen to have some projectors. Tools wise, well, some of my main tools actually were these. Pair of pliers and some carpentry nippers. I believe these are also used for removing nails, really, more than anything, but these were great at shaping the edges of these boards so that I could make it fit this this oval. So that's it for this video. Really thank you for watching to the end. Do subscribe, check out my other videos. I'm going to put a couple of links down here, and I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Thank you, makers.